Hello everybody, myself Dr. Vipin Goyal. I am a senior consultant surgical oncology and laparoscopic surgeon at Care Hospital, Banjara Hills. Today in short we are going to discuss about breast cancer, which is in short time going to be the most common cancer in India. Right now the breast cancer is the most common cancer overall in world, but in India there is a fight going on between cervix cancer and breast cancer. But in cities like Hyderabad, already the breast cancer is the number one cancer in females. What is breast cancer? A female getting a cancer in the breast is called breast cancer. But one point I want to clarify here is, it is not like breast cancer happens only in females. Breast cancer can also happen in males. 1% of the breast cancer do occur in male, whereas 99% of the breast cancer occur in female. So male also we get breast cancer, and the treatment is same as what I am going to describe in my further slides. What is the treatment for breast cancer? Starting with what is the causes for the breast cancer. Few causes what we know about the breast cancer is, one is hereditary. If your mother, father, sisters have breast cancer, then there is a high chance you may also get a breast cancer. So get a screening done for yourself if any you have a high risk of breast cancer in your family. Second, the age. As the age increases, the chances of a female getting breast cancer is high. But nowadays we are seeing breast cancer in early age also, and the latest what I have seen in my practice is a 25-year-old female getting a breast cancer. We don't know what is the exact cause, but females also we are seeing the breast cancer. Then the third most important cause is the hormonal changes. If there is more of the estrogen in the body, then the patient chances of getting a breast cancer is high. Now what are the causes for high estrogen? One is the obesity. So always we tell, maintain your weight and don't increase the weight, don't be obese, which is a risk factor for not only breast cancer but for other cancer also, like colon cancer and endometrial cancer. So physical activity, doing yoga or exercise is a protective for breast cancer, whereas being obese, increasing the weight is a risk factor for breast cancer. Now, how a female of breast cancer usually present? The most common presentation for the breast cancer is lump or swelling in the breast. Almost 90% of our breast cancer patient present with swelling in the breast, which is for the short duration of time, presents in last 2 to 3 months, and which is rapidly increasing in size. Second most common presentation is either the pain in the breast or blood discharge through the nipple. Third common is sometimes they present with swelling in the armpit, which is also an indication that female may be having a breast cancer. Now, once you show to a physician or an oncologist, they decide whether you fall in high risk or low risk. We examine the patient and we see whether it is. One point not to panic here is, all the lump, all the swelling in the breast is not breast cancer. 90% can be benign like fibroadenoma or a normal swelling, which is not to worried about. So what we do is, when somebody present with swelling in the breast, we examine the patient and we categorize whether it can be a high risk or low risk depending on the examination finding. Like I will tell you in short, breast cancer usually are very hard swelling with fix to the either the skin or the underlying muscles, or with the armpit swelling, whereas the swellings which are not cancer is freely mobile, which is very much soft or firm, which are not hard like cancer. So we will decide whether you fall in high risk for the breast cancer or low risk. Depending on that, we have to do the testing. So if we suspect this can be a breast cancer, what we do first is we take a biopsy, what we call either the FNAC or core needle biopsy, where from the lump we remove few of the cells or tissue and send it for pathological examination to study under the microscope to see whether it can be cancer or not. So once we get the biopsy report, whether it is cancer or not, depending on that we decide the further treatment. So biopsy will tell me it is cancer or not. If the biopsy to our bad luck comes as cancer, then we have to see what stage the patient falls in. To tell you in short, there are 4 stages of breast cancer: 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we need to do some radiological examination like ultrasound, CT scan or now PET CT to see what the stage patient falls in, whether it is stage 1, to 4 because the treatment for different stage is different. So a patient comes to us with swelling in the breast, we do biopsy first followed by PET scan or CT scan or ultrasound to see what is the stage. Depending on the stage, we decide what is the treatment. In this short video, I will be talking about what is the treatment for breast cancer. Again, as I told, the treatment depends on the stage. If you are coming in stage 1 of the breast cancer, usually we tell to go for the surgery first, where we have the two options. Either we can remove the lump only or we can remove the complete breast. Then we send it for the testing and see what is the final stage. Based on the biopsy report, we decide whether the patient required chemotherapy, radiation or not. If you come in stage 2 and 3, then there are two options. Either we can do surgery first or we can give chemotherapy first. If we do surgery first, after surgery usually we give chemotherapy, because if the cells has already spread, that chemotherapy will take care of the cells. And if you come in stage 3, then we have to give chemotherapy first to reduce the size of the swelling, size of the tumor. Then we operate the patient so that they are cured. Now coming to stage 4, what do we mean by stage 4? If the cancer cell has already spread to other part of the body from the breast, like liver, lung, bone or any other part of the body, it is called stage 4. There is no role of surgery in stage 4. Only chemotherapy need to be given, and the chemotherapy is only to control the disease. It is not to cure the disease. In stage 4, we can only control the disease, whereas in other stage we can cure the disease. So I request all the viewers here, if you have any swelling in the breast, please show to the doctor as early as possible so that we can detect the disease in stage 1 and we can cure you. Coming to radiation, if the size of the tumor is more than 5 cm or the tumor has already spread to the armpit, then radiation will be required. Few points about targeted therapy. What do we mean by targeted therapy? Here it is not same as chemotherapy. We do special markers on the tumor, what we call ER/PR or HER2 receptors, and if the tumor markers are positive, we can start the targeted therapy, which are equally or more effective than chemotherapy. So breast surgery, breast treatment is not over until we do the IHC, ER/PR, HER2 on the specimen, and based on that we decide the treatment. Coming to what is the prognosis for the breast cancer. Prognosis means what are the chances of survival, what are the chances of cure. This all depends on the stage when you present to the doctor. If you present in stage 1, the cure chances, the prognosis is very good, the cure chances are more than 90%. Whereas in stage 2, the cure chances are 70%. Stage 3, it drops to 30 to 40%. And in stage 4, as I told you, the cure chances are very less. We can control the disease, we cannot cure. So again, my request to the viewers is, if you or your family or friends have any symptoms suggestive of breast cancer, show to the doctor as early as possible, so that if you have also, we can detect in stage 1 and we can cure you. Now, few points about hereditary breast cancer. As I started my talk with what are the risk factors, if your father, mother, brother, sister, anybody suffering from breast cancer, there is 4 times high risk that you may also develop breast cancer in future. So you should be on regular follow-up. How regular follow-up can be done? Usually we have a very good test called mammogram for breast screening. Here what we do is, we examine the breast by X-ray, what we call mammogram, and we see if you have any lesion which are not detected by examination, which can be picked up early. Mammogram can pick the lesions as small as 2 mm to 3 mm. So 2 mm to 3 mm is no need for chemotherapy, hormonal treatment, anything. We can cure you only by surgery. So mammogram is the screening test. It is not indicated for the female less than 40 years. It is usually indicated for the females after 40 years. And if you have high risk, like your father, mother, anybody is having cancer, you should get your mammogram done after the age of 40 years. This in short I told about breast cancer. So anything, any comment, any doubt, you can put in the comment section. I will be happy to answer. Thanks for your patient listening and watching the video. Thank you.
We'll be covering all topics which commonly affect patients on a day-to-day basis.
For more this type of doctor advices or opinion or any other things,
దయచేసి డాక్టర్స్ అడ్వైస్ ఛానల్
లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి.
సబ్స్క్రైబ్
to this channel, Doctor's Advice.
10 మందికి ఉపయోగపడేలాగా చూడండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.